How to connect Deezer to smart speaker. If you're trying to use voice commands and connect your smart speaker to Deezer's, in this video, let me show you the steps. The first thing you need to do is make sure your devices are ready. Turn on your smart speaker, whether you're using Amazon Echo, Google Nest, Sonos, etc. Make sure to turn on the smart speakers. And secondly, make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network. The next step is going to be you need to launch up your Deezer's app, log into your account if you haven't already, and then it is now time to link your Deezer to the smart speaker. For this, depending upon your smart speaker, you just need to head over to the settings inside of your smart speaker, and then inside of settings, you'll see a section called music, or it may also say music and podcast if you're using Alexa. Tap on the music and podcast option, or just the music option if you're using a different smart speaker, and there you'll have the option or the section of selecting from different music platforms. Select the Deezer's option. Once you select it, Deezer's and your smart speaker will now have been connected. This way you can now use your voice commands to play music on Deezer's onto your speakers. So that is all there is to connect Deezer's to your smart speaker. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.